Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is May 16, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today we are going to be analyzing our pre-week of May 18 to May 22nd. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification where you're gonna be noticed when we put our new triple arrow system. When tomorrow Sunday we are gonna be releasing our full week analysis for May 18 to the 22nd. All right. So, and let me give you another great information I think everyone needs to know, no matter what we're doing here on our channel. So, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. That's what we're here for. So, make sure you hit that bell notification so you will be aware when we post all the brand new videos and everything is accurate. Remember, our brand new system, triple arrow system, is getting almost ready to be released and giving it to you guys for free. So if you are watching us for the first time and you want to grab our triple arrow system, the link is below. All you have to do is click on the link. We are going to be giving you $20 cash back. Anyway, the system doesn't cost that much, but we are giving you $20 as appreciation for COVID-19. All right, so make sure you hit that. All right, let's get to work. Look at what we are doing here, guys. We are gonna start with Euro USD. A lot of you guys were sending me a message, Irvin, don't forget to analyze Euro USD. Well, you are the one who asking for it, so my job is to follow your whatever question you have. I need to, one way or another, I need to help you how to answer that, right? So, but pay attention to the time frame that I'm using here, right? I'm using 4 hours. Let's type here some information, guys. So make sure, guys, the new system is coming, guys. The new triple arrow is coming soon. So make sure if you are watching us for the first time, first thing first is hit that bell notification in there, so you will know when I post brand new video, when I'm gonna be also giving you a lot of new information that are gonna come up in the near future and so on. So there's a lot of great information on our website, guys. So be ready. So it's not ready, so stop sending message. It's not ready. We are getting ready. So it's coming up, all right? So if you want to grab a triple arrow, the description of the link is below. So make sure you grab that license and we're gonna be giving it to you for free. All right, so let's pay attention here. Pay attention what our triple arrow is doing here. First, right? So our triple arrow is giving us a what? It's giving us a bearish direction. So yes, the market so far is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It already gave us a bearish market. Now it's time for the market to continue as bullish. So now I'm looking for the week of May 18th to the 22nd. I'm looking for a triple arrow to retest our 38 Fibonacci line. From that 38 Fibonacci line, we are looking for a small tiny pullback, retesting our mid 52 R61 Fibonacci line. And then from that point on, the market will continue bullish. Some of you guys, do me a favor, guys. You need to find your niche. Stop going from one room to another room to another room. And you guys have so many different mentors all over the world. So you need to find your niche. Find who works best for you, how you understand whatever strategy you're gonna be working on it. If you find value of my stuff, look at here. We already hit 3 months, right? 3 months in a week. and we lost in those 3 months and a week only 6 trades. And the thing is that I come here live with you. I'm here live, so go ahead, comment below if you want to comment below, and I do the analysis with you, and then I come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. where we reanalyze everything that we do on Saturday and Sunday as well. So we reanalyze it on Sunday, and that's when I prove you that my, whatever I do here with the triple arrow system is the best. And the new system that is coming, the new triple arrow system, is gonna blow your mind. It will blow your mind, but remember that it's getting ready. So if you have not grabbed the triple arrow yet, make sure you get it, so you will be one of those first one. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. So this is it for our Euro USD. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do 4 pairs today. We're gonna do the USD CHF. Look at what the triple arrow is giving us here. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. You tell me if it's not doing that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So what I'm expecting to see for this market here for this coming week, remember, is May 18th to the 22nd. I'm looking to see a small retracement, retesting maybe 3 or more candles before the market continue as bullish. All right. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday where we're gonna redo this all over again, and you will judge me from that point on, because now all I'm giving you is just my personal information on what the triple arrow is basically gonna perform for the week of May 18. Remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. People say, Irvin, you always excited. Well, you gotta make this game as like you singing a song, right? So it is what it is. I'm happy here to give you the content that I'm giving you. I'm giving you very, very valuable information. If you are finding great information out of this video, make sure you hit that bell notification below and give us a thumbs up and let me know if I need to improve. Also, today I did a live yesterday I did a live video, and people were saying, Irvin, you should put your favorite pairs, and that is something really, really interesting, and I will do it. You guys ask for it, I will do it, okay? Because I'm here to give you the content. Always I'm trying to be your honest coach. Honest, nothing else. All right, so let's move forward and let's go to the next one. Pay attention with this one. I don't know if you guys are trading Euro NCD. Look at what Euro NCD is doing. What I'm expecting to see for this following, look at, first of all, you tell me what is the triple arrow doing. Triple arrow is not lying, guys. Triple arrow is very straightforward. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. So now what I'm expecting to see for this coming week here, to be honest, is I'm still expecting probably 1 or 2 more candles. Oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. Let me delete this so we can keep the system nice and clean. So I'm expecting to see a few more candles here, basically retesting our 78.6 Fibonacci line. From that point on, the market will continue as bullish. And then most likely from there, it will do a small pullback, and then we come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna be reanalyzing this market all over again, but with the answer of what I'm giving you right now. So it's very, very straightforward, okay? So make sure you do that. Give us a thumbs up if you found value of this. Don't forget to do that. Look at the time frame I use, guys. A lot of you guys say, Irvin, why you keep using 4 hours? Well, remember, guys, I am Team with Irvin. I'm not Mr. Elvis. A lot of you keep sending me messages, Mr. Elvis, Mr. Elvis. I'm not Mr. Elvis. I'm Team with Irvin. So call me by my name, Team with Irvin. All right. So we can work in a better way. So don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. So let me drink some of my water. It tastes good, guys. It tastes really good. So we're gonna move forward. We're gonna go ahead and do gold. Pay attention to what gold is doing here, guys. I've been giving you the answer for gold for so long. So let me bring it on. I've been telling you the market is bearish, guys. I've been telling you all this. I told you when the market dropped here. Let me drop the line here. I told you when the market dropped here, and then I told you when the market went up, and then I told you when the market dropped, and then I told you when the market went up. Now we are coming on May 18 to the 22nd, where it's gonna transform and it's gonna continue as bearish. Remember, if you want to grab a triple arrow system, the link is below. All right, so we are gonna be giving you $20 cash back. If you want coaching, guys, I do 101, so go ahead and send me a private message. It's in the description of this video. All right, so you can find value out of it. If not, it's fine. You keep doing what you're doing. But let's go here. Let's see what we got here, guys. I'm expecting here to see this market here retesting our mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From there, this is my, remember, this is my analysis, guys. This is not a signal. I don't want you to think Irvin is giving me a signal. And I want, thanks God, I really thanks God that you guys, all the comments that I get back is because you guys are killing it. But what I'm expecting here is I'm expecting to see the market to retrace our 23 Fibonacci line, and then market will continue down. This is what I get very excited, guys, to be honest. You guys know I don't do signal, but a lot of you guys are sending me nice comments. So pay attention here, right? It says here, look at here. Someone asked me, hey, Irvin, I hope you have a great weekend, blah, blah, blah. And then I told him I was looking at bearish here. I delete his name. And when I look at this, when I would take this trade, oh well, let's move on. Look at this guy, 341 in there, and he said, "Me too, bro." Whatever. I said, "Congratulations." Look at this other guy here, another happy customer. I don't even know how much he made it in there. Another one here, $1,200. Look at here, $544. So, guys, this is freaking amazing, guys. Triple arrow system is the best system in the world, and it's gonna get even better, stronger, and super easy. But remember, guys, everything has rules. You must master the rules. You need to find yourself and trade only one way until you become good at it. Once you know you are good at it, you can try all the adventures, all the different strategies. But don't just go from one place to another place to another place to another place, and then at the end of the day, you don't know S, right? So you need to know one good thing. So make sure you stick to the program. All right. Remember, what did you guys pay for here? Let me make this smaller. Look at here. Let's go back. All right. Look at here, guys. Look at here. You pay. Let me write it down. Pay attention. Don't leave, guys, because this is very important information. If you leave anyway, I feel bad for you. Keep blowing your account. Look at here. You pay to trade triple arrow. You didn't pay here to have a whole record indicator here. You didn't pay for that shit, to be honest. You pay here to trade triple arrow. A lot of you guys are coming new to our system, and you guys keep bringing your own indicator. No, you are on the wrong side of the business. Let me be honest. I want to be honest to you. I want to help you, but I want to keep it clean. I want to keep it nice and sweet. I don't want to lie. I mean, that's why you guys keep blowing your account, because all the people keep bringing their old stuff. Trust me, man. Stick to the program. Program says triple arrow. We do triple arrow all the way. All right. So, do you guys have any question, guys? Any question, guys? Let me know, please, because you know what? If you guys don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Can you try to guess? Well, I will go where? Home.